Yes, NVIDIA just launched Chat with RTX. Will this be an end to chartgbt? Be available for everyone? What is my system requirement for this to work? Everything will be answered in this video. NVIDIA Chat with RTX is a software that allows you to host your own AI chatbots on your PC. And the most amazing part of it is that it is offline. It's available offline, and it enables privacy and also speed up your data retrieval, because you're able to retrieve information from your local computer. Like if you want to get your note or something from your note, so that's what this chatbot is used for. And the second thing is it's a YouTube helper. This NVIDIA has the capability of getting access to YouTube transcription. All you need to do is just to paste your YouTube URL link. Just paste it there and enter. So this NVIDIA will be able to go through all this transcription in the YouTube video and get the answer to what you are looking for. So this helps you to spend less time in getting your answer. The thing is that NVIDIA enables you to have an AI model. Just like you want to get an image, you want to get a video, this NVIDIA make it possible. Just like our chartgbt as is being used right now. So the fourth thing is that in this NVIDIA, it gives you ability to choose your own data set in the form of like your folder paths. If you want to check something in your local devices, so that means you're going to use your folder paths, then you'll be able to ask, it's going to go through your folder paths, get notes for you right away. So the YouTube link URL is also part of it, which means you'll be able to put all your videos, likely videos, into it, and you just run some charts on them. And the third one is the AI model. So the AI model is the default model, which means if you do not take it to the folder part or YouTube URL part dataset, then it is the AI model, just like chartgbt. The fifth part is the privacy part. Privacy in the form of, because you are able to save your files in your local files, you're able to work offline. You don't need a lot of internet connection to be able to run this thing perfectly. So using this chat with RTX enable you to have privacy in whatever you are doing. So how do you download it? Go to the link. I've pasted the link in the description below, so check the link in the description below and be able to go into Chat with RTX or search on the Google Chat with RTX, be able to download it. How do you download and install it? It has a specification for it. For you to be able to download it, you will have to have a system that has RAM of 16 gigabytes or above, and also be able to have NVIDIA GPU, and there's a specific driver for it about going sometimes. So, and it requires 35 gigabytes of space in your devices. So this is a great app to actually check if your laptop, if your system meets the requirements. You can check it up, and it is a great app that enables you to build your own chartgbt by yourself. So that is some amazing part of it. Well, so some people that are asking, can NVIDIA work on your mobile phone? And this is the last tips. For now, NVIDIA with the high requirements I don't be able to work on mobile devices in the future, because everything is upgrading. and updating. But if you have a phone that has high GPU, that has like NVIDIA GPU, I think there are phones that are having NVIDIA GPU right now. So if you have such phone, then it's to be able to work on it. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video and share with a friend. Help share with a friend, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.